Hello and welcome to the Air Prakashan Academy. Today we're learning unit name, numbers. What is number? First of all, can you tell me what is a number? Numbers are helpers counting, measuring, labeling, and performing the arithmetic operation. They are broadly classified based on their properties. What is number? Numbers help us counting, measuring, labeling, and performing the arithmetic operation. What is arithmetic operation? There are the various arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For this, we require a numbers. Also, if we want to count any items, then we require numbers. They are classified into various type of numbers based on their properties. These are the This is the definition of a number. After learning the definition, let's discuss the type of numbers. There are the various type of numbers. First is a natural number, whole number, integer number, rational number, irrational number, and real number. These are the list of a type of numbers. This is the write it down in your notebook, and we will learn each and every number, and based on this we will solve some MCQs. As you can see in this image, there is the real number. Real number contains all the numbers, that is natural number, whole number, integer number, rational number, irrational number. Real number contain all this number, and example is 6. 6 is integer. 1.7 is rational number. -8 is also integer. But imagine numbers are I and J. Remember this. This will not come, but still it is the type of number. Then rational number. What is the rational number? Rational number, those number which can be written as a P by Q. P by Q in the factorial format. Then, do you have any question why -4 is a factorial? Because anything, if the denominator is nothing, that means it has 1. Then -4 has a 1 denominator. And let's discuss rational number. Rational number is exactly opposite of a rational. Irrational number is exactly opposite of a rational number, where rational number denoted by the expressed by P by Q, but in a irrational number we cannot return in the form of P by Q. Like pi cannot return a P by Q. We can return its value, but we can't write pi 1 by pi upon 1. Because of this, it is a irrational number. E is a constant. √6 also cannot written as a P by Q like this, because it will change the value. Integer are nothing but all the numbers, positive number and negative number, but it does not include fractions, decimals. Let's talk about whole number. Whole number start from 0 to infinity, and natural number start from 1 to infinity. Let's move on to next slide. Natural number. Natural number is also called as a counting numbers, which can we count items in the form of a natural number, and it starts from 1 and go on infinity. Counting start of a natural number 1 to infinity. Remember, this symbol is used, and symbol is used for natural number. Example is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on infinity. Next number, type of number, whole number. What is the whole number? Natural number with a 0 included it. Whole number is also a superset of a natural number because it includes all the natural number, but it also includes the zeros. It starts from 0 to infinity and no decimal or no negative part, including whole number. And the symbol is used W. Example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the example of whole number. Next number system, integers. What is integer? Integer includes all the numbers, that is positive, negative, whole number, but it does not include decimal. Decimal means which has the decimal point fraction cannot be included in the integer, and the symbol is Z. And examples of -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. These are the examples of integers. Rational numbers. What is a rational number? Rational number are those numbers that can be represented p by q in the form of a fraction. Also, it includes the decimals. But here q cannot be 0. Remember this, in rational number q cannot be 0 and includes integer, fraction, terminating, repeating decimal. These are also included in the rational number. Symbol is q. Integer because if I take any integer, it has a denominator 1. That means I can return as a form of a p by q. It is a rational number. Examples are 1 by 2, -3, 0 to 5. Why this number is a rational number? Because this number I can return as a p by q. I can write like this. It will become this. I can express this number in the p by q. Because of this, it is a rational number. 7 by 3. Also rational number, irrational number. What is the irrational number? We learned the rational number expressed as a p by q, but irrational number cannot be expressed as a p by q. It is the exactly opposite of a rational number. Non-repeating and non-terminating decimal. It includes non-repeating and non-terminating decimal. Symbol use p. Examples are √2, pi, e. These are the example of irrational number which cannot be represented as a p by q because √2 by 1 make the different value. Because of this, it is a irrational number. And a real number. What is real number? Real number is a contain all the type of a number. It is a superset of all the numbers. It includes all the rational, irrational numbers, integer number, whole number, natural number. Symbol used for r. Symbol used for real number is r. Example -3, pi by 1 by 2, 0.25, pi √2. These are the examples. This is the image where you can see the real number contain the rational number and irrational number. That means real number is a number which contain all the type of numbers. And rational number contains integer, whole number and a natural number. And integer contains whole number and natural number. And a whole number contains natural number. This is how the image or the type of a number is classified. Real number includes the two number system, rational number and irrational number. And in irrational number, there is a three number type of numbers, integer and whole and natural. Let's talk about this table. As you can see in this table, I include the type of numbers, symbols and example. Natural number use n and example, it start from 1 to infinity. Example written there. Whole number symbol is W. Again, example are start from 0 to infinity. Integers I or Z, these are two type of symbol used for the denote integers. It has negative and positive all the numbers. Rational number use Q, and these are the examples. Irrational number Q, and this stick means it is the inverse of a rational number. Examples are pi 2, root 2 and pi, prime numbers. Can you tell me what is a prime number? Prime number is nothing which has only two factors, and a composite number which has more than two factors. These are the example: even number divided by 2 and end with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. And again, odd numbers are those number which is end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Again, this is also a table. Let's talk about prime number. Only divided by 1 and itself. Composite numbers divide by numbers other than 1 and itself. And a co-prime number. What is co-prime number? It is a pair where the factors is common only one. One is a factor common. That if I talk about 13 and a 14, what is can you tell me the factors of these two numbers? Factor of a 13 is 1 and 13, I think, and 14 is 1, 7 and 13. 14, not 13, 14. If I talk about the HCF, highest common factor, it has only common factor is 1. That means HCF is a 1. It is the co-prime number. Even number divided by 2, odd number not divided by 2. Again, some properties and facts about the numbers. 1 is neither prime or a non-composite. Write it in your notebook. It is also important. 2 is the only one prime number. The square of an even number is even and odd square is odd. If I take 2 square, what is the square of 2? 4. What is the 3 square? 9. It is a even, it is a odd. Again, every integer is a rational number. Every integer is rational number. Let's solve some MCQ based on this topic. Which of the following is a whole number? We have to find the whole number. Option A -1, option B 0, option C 1 by 2, option D -2. Which one is a whole number? First of all, whole numbers start from 0 to infinity, but it does not include negative and a decimal. Then which one is a whole number? B is a whole number because -1 is negative and it is an integer, and again 1 by 2 also a rational number, and -2 is integer. 0 is only whole number. Which number is a natural number but not the whole number? We have to find a number that is natural number but not a whole number. Wait a second. Which is natural but not a whole number? 1. A. 0 is the only number which is the. Which of this is a rational number? We have to find the rational number. Option A √2, option B 2 by 3, option C pi, option D √3. We have to find rational number. What is the rational number? First of all, rational number expressed by P by Q. Can I write the √2 in the form of P by Q, pi or √3? There is only one option which can write as a or written as a P by Q. That is option B. That means option B is a rational number. Which is an example of a prime number? We have to find a prime number from this option. Option A 9, option B 15, option C 7, option D 21. Which one is a prime number? What is a prime number? Prime numbers are those numbers which is divided by 1 and itself. Which one has only two factors, 1 and itself? Then which option is the correct? Let's take the factors of each and every numbers. 9's factor, 15 factor, 7 factor and 21 factor. Can you tell me what is the how many factors 9 has, or the numbers 1 is a factor of a 9. After that 3 also a factor, 9 also a factor. There are the more than 2 factors. It's not a prime number. Then 15. 15's factor 1, 3, 5, 15. It has more than 2 factors. Again, it is not a prime number. 7. 7 has 1 and 7 only 2 factors. It is a prime number. Let's talk about next 21. Can you tell me the factors of 21? Factors of 21 is 1, 3, 7, 21. It also has more than 2 factors. That means only 7 number has 2 factors. Then option C is a prime number. Option C 7 is a prime number. Which number is not composite number? Not a composite number. As we know, composite number is exactly opposite of a prime number. Not a composite number means we have to find a prime number. Then which one is a prime number or not a composite number? Option A 4, B 6, C 9, D 11. First of all, what is a composite number? Composite numbers are those numbers which has more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. 1, 4 or more. Let's take out each and every number's factor. 4's factor, 6 factor, 9 and 11. What is the factor of a 4? Factor of a 4, 1, 2, 4. Factor of a 6 is a 1, 3, 6. Factor of a 9, 1, 3, 9. Again, factor of 11, 1 and 11. Then we have to find not a composite. It is a composite number, more than 2 factors. It is also composite number, more than 2 factors. Again, 9 also a composite number. It has more than 2 factors. But 11 has only 2 factors. It is not a composite number. That means 11, D 11 is the correct answer. Next question. Which number is an irrational number? We have to find the irrational number from the option. Option A 1 by 4, option B 0.75, option C root 5, option D 1. Which one is the irrational number? First of all, irrational number are the exactly opposite of rational number. Rational number that can written as a p by q, but irrational cannot express as a p by q. Then which one is a irrational number from this? Option 1 is expressed as a p by q. It is a rational number. If I talk about 0.75, I can write 7 by 100. That means also it can be represented as a p by q. 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. That means it can be represented as a p by q. Then which option is not represented as a P by Q? Option C, root 5. Which of this is an even number? We have to find a even number among this option. Option A 17, B 21, C 42, D 35. Which one is an even number? Even number end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then which is even number? 17, 21, 42, 35. Which one is the even number? 42, because it's end with 2. Also, if I divide with 2, it will get remainder 0. Next question, which is an odd number among the following? A 28, B 32, C 21, D 100. We have to find the odd number. Odd number end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Then which number is end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9? Option C end with 41. Also, after dividing by 2, remainder will be 1. What kind of a number is minus 3? Natural, whole, integer or prime? Minus 3 is a which type of a number? This type of a number is a natural number, whole number or integer or prime. Which type of a number is minus 3? Whole number start from 1 to infinity. Natural number start from 1 to infinity. Again, whole number start from 0 to infinity. Integer start from, or we can say it include numbers negative and positive, not decimal and not fraction. Option D prime, it is not a prime number. Then option C integer, it includes the negative and positive whole numbers and also 0. All natural numbers are also irrational. Between prime number, C composite number, D integer number. We have to find all natural number are also called as or are also the part of this. If we see this image, here is the image, we can see whole natural number is a part of a whole number. It is also part of an integer number. It is also part of a rational number. That means we have to find the option which includes any of these three. It can be rational, integer and whole number. Then integer number also, the natural number also a part of an integer number. That means option D is the correct option. Which number is neither prime nor a composite? Option A 1, B 2, C 4, D 5. We have to find the neither prime or nor composite. There is only one number which is neither prime or nor composite. Which one option is correct? Option A is the correct answer, because only one is a number which is neither prime nor composite. Which of the following is a negative rational number? We have to find the negative rational number. Rational number is nothing but expressed by P by Q, and we have to find negative, then that means negative sign should be there. Option A minus 3 by 4, B 1 by 4, C root 2, D minus root 5. Which one is a rational or negative rational number? Option A is the correct answer, because option C and D are irrational. D is also rational, but it is a positive. It does not have nothing. That means it has plus sign. Let's move on to next slide. The smallest natural number we have to find which is the smallest natural number. A0, B1, C L minus 1, D2. Which one is the smallest natural number? Natural numbers start from 1 to infinity. Then we have to find the smallest natural number. That means smallest natural number is 1. Then which option is the correct? Option B is the correct. Which is the smallest whole number? Option A 1, B minus 1, C 0, D 2. Which one is the smallest whole number? Option A 1, B minus 1, C 0, or D 2. Can you tell me the whole number start from? Whole number start from 0. That means smallest whole number is 0. Option C is the correct option. Which of the following is a non-integer number? Non-integer number. We have to find the non-integer number. Option A 5, B minus 3, 2, C 2.5, D 0. Which one is a non-integer number? Integer numbers are the whole numbers, but it includes the negative and positive part also, but it does not include fraction and decimal. Then which one is a negative number? Option A is we have to find non-integer. Non-integer मतलब जो इंटीजर नहीं है वो फाइंड करना है. Then which is not an integer? It is an integer. This is not correct. It is also integer. It is not an integer. It is the decimal. Which of the following is a not type of rational number? Terminating decimal, repeating decimal, square root, fraction. Which is the not a type of a rational number? That means it not include or it is the not part of rational number. Terminating decimal. Terminating decimal means it include the decimal. Repeating decimal means repeating decimal. Square root of anything. The fraction p by 2, 1 by 2 is a fraction. Then which one is not a type of rational number? Is not. We have to find the not a type of rational number. Square root is not a type of rational number because terminating decimal can be represented as a p by q. Also, repeating decimal also represented as a p by q. A fraction can be written as a p by q. But only square root cannot be written as a p by q. That means option C is the correct option. What is the only even prime number? We have to find a even also a prime number. Option A 1, B 2, C 4, D 6. First find out which one is a prime number, even number. Then we will find is it a prime or no. 1 is the odd number, 2 is the even number, 4 also a even number, 6 also even number. Let's find out the factors of each numbers. What is the factor of a 2? 1 and 2. What is the factor of a 4? 1, 2, 4. What is the factor of 6? What is the factor of 6? 1, 3 and 6 and also 2. That means we have to find again prime number. Which one is a prime number? 2 is a prime number because it has only two factors, 1 and itself. Then option B is the correct option. Which one of this set contain the irrational number? We have to find a set which is the irrational number. Which one is the irrational number? Option A, B, C or D. If you observe option A, there is a 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 are the type of a natural number or the whole number. It is not the irrational number. B, pi and root 2. Yeah, it is the irrational number. That means option B is the correct option. This is the homework for you. Take a screenshot of this and complete your homework. Wait a second. Options. Before ending this session, let's take an overview of this chapter. We learned the type of a number. There are the various type of a number: irrational number, rational numbers, integer number, whole number, even, odd number. Also, we learned prime, co-prime, composite numbers. This is the numbers chapter end, and thank you.